Hey, good morning. Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Ruger Wrangler 22 revolver. Look at that. Man, that is a thing of beauty. This is a single action. We're going to go over it real quick and then put some rounds through it, have a lot of fun. I just picked this up at Bass Pro Shop. Haven't shot it yet, brand spanking new, straight out of the box, so anxious to put some rounds through it. Single action. Again, 6-shot. This is chambered for 22 long rifle, which means it will also shoot 22 short, 22 long rifle, and 22 snake shot. Now, retail on this is $250, but you should be able to find it for about $200. In fact, I got this one at Bass Pro Shop for $189. And I haven't shot it yet, but man, it sure seems very well made. The barrel. Cold hammer forged, 4.6 inches, has a steel cylinder, aluminum alloy frame, does have a zinc alloy grip frame on it, and of course black plastic grips. Now this comes in 3 colors, silver, also you can get it in black, and you can get burnt bronze. The ejector housing is aluminum. If you've never shot a single action, especially a Ruger, open up the door, that frees up the cylinder, and to eject your empty rounds, you use this rod right here. And what it does, pushes out the empty cases. You know, let me show you something some of us old timers might not care for when it comes to this Wrangler. I have a Ruger Super Blackhawk 44 Magnum. And here's the Wrangler. Big difference there, huh? But check this out. This is what old timers like me absolutely love. If I free up that cylinder, hear that? Music to my ears. The Wrangler uses a free spinning cylinder, so it does not make that clicking sound. In fact, that cylinder spins in both directions. So kind of gonna have to get used to that, I think. You will notice that the fit isn't quite perfect on this revolver. You can see the seam marks here in the grip frame. So basically, you know, for $200, these things are just mass-produced, slapped together. Not a whole lot of hand fitting like you get on a more expensive revolver. But with that said, I'm anxious to put some rounds through this and see how it's going to shoot. And this is how you load a single action revolver. 1 round at a time. And yes, it is a slow process. And there you have it. I got targets set up about 12 yards. I'm just going to shoot slow and see where this is hitting. Might be hitting just a tad low, so I'll keep that in mind. Let's try that again, but this time a little bit faster. A little better. hit it 3 out of 6. Whew, man, I had a blast shooting this little revolver today. Tell you what, for right around $200, man, what a good deal. Very well made, more accurate than I expected it to be. I do have 2 complaints though. And one, that is the silver Cerakote. I'll tell you, in this bright sun, with a light background, these sights are very, very hard for me to see. And of course it's probably just my old eyeballs, but if I was to do it again, I think I would go with the black version. Another complaint, the loading gate. This piece here you open up to load and unload. Man, that thing is very, very stiff. And I'll tell you, I actually got a sore thumb just opening and closing this today. Very tight. If you're gonna buy this for a child or a grandchild, they're probably going to have a hard time loading and unloading this, just so you know. But other than that, great little gun. But I'm going to hang it up. It's getting really hot out here. And make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah, I love that.